welcome to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about Virtusa's HR round. So I have already done classes on all the other rounds of Virtusa. So maybe some of them are missing. So I'll be doing them when I'm free. But now HR round uh, was arriving, so I'm doing on this. So what is a HR round? It is a final interview to assess your personality, like salary expectations and cultural fit. That means uh, let's see about cultural fit first. That means whether you are fit for doing in a corporate, right? Doing a job in corporate, uh, whether you are like do you have some communication skills like that, all they will be checking. And salary expectations, this will be mostly on off campus, like for some of the companies, the salary won't be like, they won't fix this certain amount of salary before. So based on your um, based on your performance, they'll be deciding the salary. So at that time they will ask your salary expectations. So for all these companies, as this salary is already defined defined before itself, so there is no chance that they will ask you, right? And next they will access your personality. That means how you are going to solve a problem. If there is a problem occurred in your institution, um, then how we are going to solve it. Then the HR will be checking all this, right? The topics covered are personality. That means how you are going to solve a problem. What is your personality? Like, are you like motivated? Means, are you motivated to work and bring the company to higher standards? So like that. And what are your career goals? That means what are you going to do in next 5 years, like that. Okay. And relocation is nothing but, see, if just imagine you are living in Hyderabad, then if for job purpose itself, are you willing to go to Chennai or are you willing to go to Bangalore, they will be asking like that. So that is known as relocation. And next, salary, as I have said, for these salary fixed companies, they and roles, there won't be any salary related question, right? And they checks your communication skills, means how fluent you are speaking, how loudly, means how clearly you are speaking, all those will be checked. And next, cultural fit, as I have said before, it is regarding whether you will be fit in this field or not. So next is confidence, how much confidently you are answering the questions, how much confident you are about your answers, right? They'll be seeing all those. And next, clarity about goals. See, if he asks in next 2 years what you're going to do in this company, or what you're going to do, whether you will be staying in this company or go to other company, then if you say like, um, I don't know, I need to see up to that time and things may change. No, that won't just give a clarity on your goals. Or after getting 5 years of experience, will you just start up your own company, or will you just be working for the old company? Then you should not answer like, I don't know whether what to do, like that. So you need to be clear about your goals. Like, if they ask that question, then you need to clearly answer that, whether you're going to start up a company or you're going to um, continue in that present company itself in higher roles. Okay. Yes, they checks all these four. And next, we are having common HR round questions. And here I have given the HR round questions, means these are the common HR round questions. These will be 99.9%, these questions were only asked. Okay. So if you just prepare all of these in depth, then you can definitely going to crack it, right? So first question will be about, tell me about yourself, right? And you need to answer it in a short way. You should not like, you should not say many pages of your intro and your place of birth, your place of living, about your family background. All this should not be included. You should just say about your professional. The intro should be professional intro. That means um, starting with btech. You should start with btech. If you are btech means your degree course, you should start with your degree course. And I'm doing this course in so and so college, and I have learned these skills. Like that, you need to start what are the projects you have done and what are the internships you have done, and all those. So like this, and how you are motivated, and what all the skills you know, these all should be added. See, education, that means, see your recent education. That means if you are in btech student, then you can say that I'm studying in computer science engineering in so and so college, and I'm a final year student, like that. So about projects, you'll be doing projects, right? Mini or major, in which you are perfect. That project, just mention the projects which you are so much perfect. If the hr asks any questions regarding your projects, hr does not ask it, because in hr round we will not have, about projects. So they won't ask you about projects, but they will be asking like what are the problems you have faced in your projects, like that, right? And you need to add your achievements also. Like if you have any like coding contests, like that, which will be used for this job role, okay? And you need to mention all the skills you know. And when you go to the next question, we are having, why do you want to join Virtusa? That means why you are going to join means, so talk about your learning opportunities. Like I'm going to learn all these with with the projects I'm going to do in Virtusa. So career growth, that means I'll be gaining experience in corporate field, and technology focus, and global exposure. Global exposure is nothing but, see, um like you can just introduce yourself like I'm an employee of Virtusa, like that. So technology focus, that means you will be working day and night on technology, right? So that is nothing but, why do you want to join Virtusa? All the pros you are going to get through that company or through technical role, you need to mention all of them, okay? And next question, what do you know about Virtusa? Means, what do you know? Have you just have you got through this company? Um, so first keep in mind, before going to HR interview, you need to search about Virtusa. Means you need to search and go to their official website and check whether in which branches they are having, how many branches they are having in India, and what in which fields Virtusa is involved, like healthcare, like, or banking, or communications, all those. So in which field they entered, and what is the, how many branches are there, not what, you can list a few of them, but how many branches are there in India, and what is the headquarters, where is the headquarters present of Virtusa, these will be asked, right? And when you go to the next question, what are your strengths and weaknesses? So keep strengths relevant. That means like problem solving, adaptability, no need of explaining. Like, see, problem solving, I have solved these many problems in lead code, I have solved these many problems in HackerRank, all those are not needed. So just say in one word, like um, problem solving and error correction in quotes, and adaptability, like that. You can say some of your strengths. And for weaknesses, you need to mention something you are improving. See, for strengths, you need to just say like problem solving, enough. But for weaknesses, you need to say that I have stage fear and I'm recovering it by um, uh, practicing daily through mirror, right? Like that. You need to say how you are improving that, right? Without that, weakness is of no use, right? Yes. And when you go to the next question, we are having where do you see yourself in 5 years? That means, see, you need to show long term commitment, like growth mindset, like that. That means in 5 years, I'm going to, you should not say about, like in 5 years, I'm going to start a new company by my own. This should not be say, right? This, you should not say all this because, um, see, they're always thinking that these people will be using our company only for experience. So after then, they're not like, they don't have a long term investment in our company. So maybe the um, offer won't be given, right? So for that reason, you need to say like, you need to say about that company itself, I'm going, I want to contribute more for this company. In 5 years, I'm going to increase my role. I'm going to see myself in some bigger positions in this company itself. You need to mention the word Virtusa here, right? This is a question, and at the end, I have given all the example answers, so you can take a look. And next question is, are you willing to relocate or work in any shift? Yes, you need to mention yes because as per business requirements, they'll be changing the locations and shift. Mostly the shift will be morning itself because it is of good package, right? So mostly the shift will be morning itself and relocation will be of anything, right? We never imagine, right? So going to the next question, but you need to answer yes for this question. Okay. For shifts and for relocation, you need to answer yes, definitely. And going to the next question, how do you handle stress or conflicts in a team? Like, uh, when you are doing your projects, you'll be getting some, like, you'll be getting some problems. Maybe the code is not running, or um, maybe that machine is not working if it is a hardware. So how you will be handling them? So you need to give a real world example, means in my team these are the members and this was a problem happened, and we are just trying this and that. So finally we got the answer after doing this particular um, procedure. That procedure should be main because that is a main thing, how you are handling the stress, right? Or conflicts is nothing but problems. And this is a question. And when you go to the next question, we are having, do you have any questions for me? And at the end of the interview, then he'll be asking, do you have any questions for me? Then now you need to ask any question, right? The questions may be related to training, like where the location. You should not ask the location to him, and you should not ask what is the joining date, but you should ask what we'll be going to do in training. Means like what are the projects assigned to the freshers, right? And career progression, that means in this role, how much will be, how much experience will be gaining. And company culture means how the work workplace will be there, and how you'll be working, like that. You can ask anything regarding this except the joining date and location. Okay. And you should not ask whether I am selected or not to the HR directly. Okay. So you should never ask that am I selected or not. Okay. So just keep that in mind. And here we are having tips to crack this HR round. So be confident first. Means confident. What you are saying, let it go. Because if you don't know answer, say something related to that, not irrelevant. So you should say something related to that, and you should smile. Like you should not be like tensed, and you should give a small smile. Don't laugh. Don't laugh, but just smile and maintain eye contact. If it is virtual, then you can see the camera and you can speak. Okay, and speak clearly. That words should be heard clearly for him or her. Okay, and next, know the company. As I have said, read about Virtusa services, clients, and culture. So read and just go to the official website, read whatever they have given, read everything about that, then you will be getting a clear clarity. And next one is stay positive. Avoid negative comments about college means, see, um, if they ask about your academics or that like that, so then you need not give negative comments about your company or internships or other companies if you are experienced, because it will be giving a negative impact on you itself. Because if your score is less, then that is the fault of you. That's not the fault of college, right? So they will be and he may get an idea like if there is any mistake of his, then he'll be throwing that on company, so like that. So you should not give any negative comments. And next one is prepare scenarios. Be ready with short examples from college, like uh, means as I have said now, you will be having this, right? Stress, handling stress and conflicts. So you need to prepare something, like prepare now itself something like an example, what to do, what is that, like that. So and if he say about your internship, then you have to prepare now itself. Give five lines is enough, I think. Yes, 5 to 8 lines is enough. So yes, you need to say from the starting how you have assigned to the program, how you have assigned to the project, and what you have done, what are the technology used in that, all this. And finally, did you get the output or not? And next, we are having check documents. HR may ask you a scores, and he may check your documents. So just keep them with you, means keep soft copy with you. Then he may say to share your screen and show them all. And these are the sample questions and answers. So for tell me about yourself, see, this is the answer. I'll be sharing this PDF in Telegram group so that you can get everything. So after completion of this, then uh, leave a comment to this video below, then I'll be sharing this sheet in your Telegram group. Okay, so these are the sample answers. So for tell me about yourself, we are directly saying I'm a recent graduate in computer science. Here you can use your branch, right? From college, during academics, worked on projects, like that project name should be mentioned, which helped me strengthen my skills. What are the skills you have learned from that? Means What are the skills used there? All that you can mention. And then internship, where I collaborated to develop something. In internship, you will be developing some model or you will be developing some website, all those, right? So, um, that will be said. And next, we are having I'm passionate about learning technologies. This line you should add it because it will be taking um it will be giving a positive impact on you. Means you are like, see, I'm passionate about learning new technologies and I'm eager to start my career with Virtusa. Okay, so this is the answer for tell me about yourself and why do you want to join Virtusa. This is, see, it is like expertise in digital engineering and working with global clients across industries like banking. Here I have given you answer: banking, healthcare, and telecom. In these three fields, Virtusa is having, right? I'm particularly drawn towards SaaS focus on innovation and continuous learning. I this is the answer for this question, and we are having strengths and weaknesses. See, one of the strengths is adaptability, and see weakness. Sometimes I tend to overthink small details, which slows me down. See, we are, but I'm improving. Improvement will be very much important for weaknesses. Okay. And next question is yourself in 5 years. Where you will see yourself in next 5 years. So this will be the answer. In next 5 years, I'll be seeing myself in Virtusa, within Virtusa, right? As skilled software engineer, it is a promotion and taking on more responsibilities, such as leading a small team or managing a project, right? That means um, he's promoted and living in that own company itself, right? And next, handling stress and pressure. How you are going to handle? See, I handle stress by staying calm and breaking the problem into smaller tasks. For example, during my final year project, we faced a tight deadline. I created a clear task plan, divided work with my teammates, and we managed to complete it on time. I believe being organized and solution focused helps me perform under pressure, right? And next, we are having, do you have any questions to ask me? For that question, yes, I would like to know more about the training and onboarding process. Or could you share what kind of projects freshers usually get to work on their first year? That means these questions can be asked them. Or if you have any personal questions, then you can easily ask them. One question is enough, right? Yes. And this is again one of the question. Yes, it is the last question. Tell us about a time when you faced conflict or disagreement and how you resolved it. Right? See how um, how you resolved a problem. So this is an example. In my final year project, two teammates had different ideas for design approach. I organized a short discussion where each of us shared our points. We evaluated pros and cons and finally decided to merge both ideas to get the best outcome. That means, see, in our team, two teammates have got different ideas for design approach. So one have instead of like having some delay and having some confusion which one to choose, then we have done, just we have sit together and we have discussed what are our ideas, and then we have discussed what are the pros and what are the cons about those ideas, and finally, see, if one idea is having some pros and another idea was having some cons on the same aspect, right? So when you merge both, the pros and cons will be merged so that we will be getting a good outcome. best outcome. So this experience taught me the value of communication and collaboration in resolving conflicts. Right? I hope you have understood all these questions, and these will be 99.9% these questions will be only asked in the HR interviews. Okay? So that's all for today's class. This is all about Virtusa's HR interview. So I'm wishing you all the best. And if you have any doubts, then don't forget to comment down below. I'll be definitely giving you the reply. And join in the Telegram group. So there I'm posting all the job opportunities for all the batches from 22 to 26. So stay tuned, as this is a hiring 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 peak stage. So that's all for today's class, and if you like this video, then do like and share with your friends also who are in need of this, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you feel these are worthy. Okay, thank you, that's all.